Want a cool drink after a long day? Let's start brewing. First, we are going to make the classic lemon iced tea. Here's what you will need: black tea, lemon juice, sugar or any substitute, and ice. In hot water, drop 1 or 2 tea bags of Assam or Darjeeling black tea. Watch as the water slowly takes the beautiful dark color of the tea. Steep it in for 5 minutes before taking it out. Now add some sugar and any sugar substitute and the juice of half a lemon. If you notice, the color of the tea has changed into a gorgeous amber. Stir it well and resist the urge to take a sip. We're almost done. Set the tea aside to chill. Finally, pour the tea into a serving glass with ice cubes in it. Garnish it with lemon slices. Quench your thirst any time of the day with this refreshing iced tea. Next up, let's make some Earl Grey iced tea. Earl Grey flavored tea is known to be a healthier option to plain black tea. Here's what you will need to make perfect Earl Grey iced tea: Earl Grey tea, lemon juice, maple syrup, mint leaves, and some ice. Let's start with making a glass of Earl Grey tea. Steep 1-2 tea bags in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Then take them out. Add to the tea some mint leaves, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, and the juice of half a lemon. Stir the tea and set it aside to chill. Now in a serving glass, put some ice cubes and pour the tea over them. Make it look fancy by garnishing a lemon slice and mint leaves. Your tea is ready to enjoy.